Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert Excel to PDF. And here's how it's done. Launch Microsoft Excel on your iPhone or iPad. Select the file you want to convert to a PDF. Tap the file icon, three dots in the top right corner. Select the export option from the menu, tap PDF, and the layout option screen will appear. Choose your PDF orientation, landscape or portrait, paper size, print range, and scaling preferences. Tap Next after finalizing the layout settings. Enter a file name in the designated field. Choose where to save the PDF on your device, Microsoft OneDrive, or another connected storage location. Tap Export. Your spreadsheet will be converted and saved as a PDF in the selected location. And that is everything you need to know about how to convert Excel to PDF. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.